A day with Grandma and her friends.
Bless me, baptize it again. It's what kind of song that you're singing, pretty. What kind of filthy song that my granddaughter listening to? Think it's a skilly bang. Where skilly come from? Turn it up for me, my grandbaby, make her hear it then. But you know so bad, you know. You know so bad at all. This two
This weekend was a very busy one for the female dancehall act them, right? I was a PTR in Canada, was a Spice in Canada, Shensia in New York, and was a Jada Kingdom and Chanel Muir in St. Kitts, right? The ladies, them are work. Proud of the girls, them. So me I say, all over. But people, I have some video for show now. Some of them video, you know, check it now, people. Everything enough for everybody. And we know so we're gonna see some comments, but now for just know say, you know what I mean, certain things is beyond our control. Me just there for sure now go on. I'm still support the ladies them in any instance. You see what I say? But you know what I do because of that I do. Me report on things, me show now what go on, when I find when I see I go on the net, and that I there for do. So the first thing we are gonna kick it off with PTR, right? Are pretty. So there's a clip we are go around, right? We're pretty. Like she a give a man a dance in a Canada and he never to work out in a film favor. But me have the video, me I go stop chat. So without any further ado, take a look at this. Here goes.
We don't want no boy we're rumming and jamming like Mr. Blacks, right? We want to see, oh, you go bubble. I watch 50 shows already. And them something like, you're not going to touch me though. I want to see if you can wind in a bubble door. You understand me? You listen to me already? You have a prove yourself. You ready? Listen me. Hey boy, I love it when you hug me. This a cocky pull my pussy like a door key. This kind of magic no open sesame. Come and make me right. This all this. That is a tealy. No, I think one more. That little. That we don't want that. No, I'm gonna get no second chance. Who wants a big old boy from around Canada? Something long, black and strong.
People, so when you see what go on, when you think about what pretty go on with, you know, we only see a little part of the clip, so we don't know what go on overall, but we see enough to know, you know what I mean, put it together what happened in that moment. Now, one time me post it on Instagram, some people I say, boy, she never did have to do him so, and then some people I say, yo, it's just fun, it's all fun and joke, it's all laughter, maybe it's not even true, you see what I say, but I want to know what you think down in the comment section. Now, me, myself, I face a similar thing like that. It's not really the same thing, but remember one time ladies started up on stage and they like right up at the stage and ladies say, call a man for come on the stage and me just did it. And me not go on the stage like that. So I say, me want to hear what I go on, but me not go on the stage. And ladies start look me dead in their face and I say, so I go on, the man, them not like pum. And me I say, you see me, but it was a different case. You see what I say, people, but in a film case, you know, we don't know how that affect him or it don't affect him. You see me, I say, hope the brother good, hope pretty was just joking or whatever, or however them deal with it afterwards. But tell me one thing down in the comment section.
Come here, my bestie. Hey. Set up.
Yeah, people. So right now, I'm going to talk about Spice. And now, people, I'm going to tell you if you don't agree with certain things this time, when you might need to check out the video. I'm going to fear warning because I know say everything and of everybody. You see what I say? Some people don't really agree with Spice and the show what she take over the weekend, you know what I mean, as well as Shensia. I'm not going to really show none from Shensia, but I do have a clip from Spice own, right? But we see a lot of comments, we see a lot of things, regardless, like I say, certain things is beyond our control and we can do nothing about certain things. But however it goes, I support my artists them. You see what I say? I must always agree or disagree with what they do, but overall, in general, I support all the female artists them in dancehall regardless. Now, me making this video and posting this, now have nothing to do with my opinion and when me think Spice right or wrong. But you as the viewer, you know what I mean, me I show no what go on, and I want to comment down in the comment section based on what I see and hear. So Spice performed in Canada at this Pride event, and we have a small clip from it. So we have a small excerpt from it, and I'm gonna show it to you. So take a look at this. And B1, it's the language is kind of foul, so you know what, go on. You know what I mean? If you don't like them thing, they apologize to you. So take a look at this. Here goes.
Ready?
Spice.
What is your wife's
Pride
name?
Toronto.
Jasmine Harris.
What's her favorite color?
Green.
What's her favorite dish?
Oxtail.
What? What's her favorite sex position?
Eating my pussy.
Where's your wife? Call her. Call your wife. Jasmine, come. You can't hide your face. Jasmine, wait. This is Jasmine. This is your camera. How do I take the picture? Turn it on. I can take a picture. I know the camera I use. Turn it on.
I see Wagwan and Spice I get a lot of support as well as she I get a lot of backlash for this. So you know them thing they go, you know what I mean? People highly opinionated and people, you know what I mean, I go say things, especially we being Jamaicans and we already know how this thing go, you know what I mean, within our country. So when you know it go, Uno have no opinion as well. Uno put it down in the comment section. Now, Sensia had a similar show in New York. It's also a Pride show in New York, but we never really see a lot from that. You see what I mean? Just see one and few clip of she up on the stage and all of that. So I didn't think it was necessary to come and show no nothing. But that clip here with Spice, it a go around. People attack, what them attack say. You see what I say all over Instagram, all about. Spice not seem to care. She know said this don't happen anyway. Like a year ago, she announced the not a year, but like, you know what I mean, couple months ago she announced that she don't do this. So she know what come with it. She does not care. So what I say. And you know what I mean? That's the attitude for go with. Cause I mean, me can't really say talk with Spice or nothing, but work off it go on, you know what I mean? Spice do her thing, I work, she work. You see what I say? But me, personally, like I said, I can't knock Spice, man. I have nothing to say with Spice doing this or not, because business are business. Me personally now go, but Spice are artist, Spice are female, Spice can do what she want. You see what I say? And some people might not agree with me, but I'm entitled to my opinion, just like how you are entitled to your opinion. Me no must right, me no must wrong, you no must right, you no must wrong. But me want to hear what you say down in the comment section. Now, people, thank you for listening to this video and watching all of the clips. You saw me, I say, if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Now, everybody have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Stay safe out there. I'm out.